want to talk about something because I know picking fabric for your backdrops can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be, right? You have so much to think about, such as the colors, the textures, how much to use. But guess what? What if I told you there's an amazing solution that handles all of this for you? Just imagine being able to never have to worry about picking fabric again, right? You'll be able to save so much money on buying fabric and all the shipping fees from online retailers, right? Don't you want to create a backdrop that looks like it came straight out of a magazine? If that's the case, I want you to keep on watching this video. Once you finally get over that threshold, you're investing in the only thing that is preventing you from attracting those $1,000 clients is you don't know how to do it. You have to produce what people are willing to pay for. Hey guys, my name is Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and they call me the Draping Queen. I have been in the industry for 3 years now, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the best fabric solution that I have been working on for almost a year now. And guess what? I think I've gotten it down to a science. Trust me guys, even though I've draped thousands of backdrops, I used to get stuck as well, right? So I understood all the frustration of the countless DMs of so many of my tribe members asking me for help on how to pair that fabric for the perfect backdrop. I figured out, like, I gotta come up with something, right? It was not easy finding helpful information on this issue. So today I wanted to share with you this killer done-for-you solution so you never have to feel stuck again. So if you're ready to find out just what it is, I want you to drop your favorite emoji in the comments so that I know you're ready. Not to mention, it's the easiest way to simply say a thank you and that you enjoy the content on our channel. Not to mention, it also excites me to make even more content, so be sure to watch until the end. So I want to introduce you to the Posh Fabric Bundle and the backdrop recipe. This bundle includes 21 unfinished panels of 12-foot lengths of fabric, right? It has a variety of textures and blends, and it will create the most dynamic backdrop if you just follow the recipe. Well, what's the recipe, you ask? It's a step-by-step PDF that lays out the entire process of assembling your backdrop, right? You will follow a simple drape by number system that eliminates all of the second guessing. And the best part? Not only will it lay out how and where to place your fabric, but it also lists all the hardware and exact detail of what you'll need for this design. This is perfect if you have a team member because you can just simply hand them the list so that they can go and have everything packaged for you beforehand. So let me ask you something. Does this sound like something you could benefit from? Are you ready to create the backdrop of your dreams? And can you imagine how much time and money that you'll save by not having to guess how much fabric you're going to need or how to put the colors together, right? If this sounds like this will easily benefit your business, I want you to do me a favor and simply give this video a thumbs up. And I want you to help me reach 100 likes. This will be a clear indicator that I may be on to something good. If you like the idea of finally getting a solution to pairing color palettes and textures, all that completely done for you, then here's what you need to do next. Simply click the link in the description below to order your own Posh Fabric Bundle, right? I'm so confident that you'll absolutely love it. But don't take my word for it. Check out some of these amazing bundles that I was able to put together for so many students in our Draping Masterclass. They were finally able to say goodbye to the frustration of trying to figure out how much fabric they needed for their project. And what's even better, if you want to learn how to get started with premium draping, I created a free trial bonus introductory course that lays out everything you need to get started so you can jumpstart your draping services off on the right foot. Take it from the Draping Queen herself, right? Because I was able to not only learn draping, but I turned it into a six-figure business in no time. And you could do the same exact thing by simply clicking that link below so you can instant access inside the course. But hey, if you're not ready to buy fabric just yet and you need to start off with your hardware first, I want you to check out my other videos on Posh draping kits because there's something for everyone. This way, you'll be sure to get the right one. The videos not only show installation, but also which ones that I actually recommend and why. Simply put, the Posh Academy is your one-stop shop for all your premium draping needs, right? Everything is listed below for you. So check out the description to see exactly what you need because I have something there specifically for you. Until next time, I hope to see you guys on the inside.
Hello, I'm Carla Stallion, in business for 15 years, and this class has been awesome. I've learned so many tips and things that I should have learned a long time ago, but I appreciate all the help, and if Precious comes back again, I'll be back again, because this class was just awesome.
Hi, my name is Priscilla Pratt. I thought I knew what I was doing, but I didn't. Take the class, it's worth it. Just take those coins and put those coins together. You will be very satisfied that you did attend. Thank you, Precious.